Hey guys, Jess here. So today I'm just sitting out on my porch and you can probably hear the traffic going by. It's not really a quiet neighborhood, but I'm just gonna deconstruct my succulent eggs that I made earlier this month. Yeah, I guess it was probably in March when I made them. And then I'm gonna also deconstruct the succulent nest that I made. I'm just gonna kind of show you what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna show you the roots that they've grown, what's worked, what hasn't worked, a little bit of update on those. So I'll do that and then I'll kind of talk about it at the end. Okay, so this is kind of what they look like right now. I am in college, so as some of you may know, I don't really have time to necessarily take care of these as much as I would like to, so they are not watered as often as I would have liked to have them. They're also sitting on my dining room table, so they got stretched out. They sat under a curtain and my roommates pulled the curtains down and kind of crushed that one. So they're definitely a little bit of neglect. But I just kind of wanted to show you what they look like now so you're not really questioning it, and kind of just showing you what you can do with them even now. Here's the nest. As you can see, these ones have stretched up a little bit. Some of the hot glue isn't holding it super great, but as you can see, they all are looking pretty healthy otherwise. So all I have here is a strawberry container because I'm running out of pots right now, and then I have a other nursery little pot that I just filled with some succulent soil. So I'm just gonna deconstruct these and I'll show you a little bit of the process and what they kind of look like, and yeah. Yeah, so it's about to rain, so I'm gonna go back inside, but I hope you guys liked what you saw. You know, I mean, I definitely neglected these, and so it's been, gosh, I don't even know, probably the last week of March until now. So they've lasted a fairly long time, and they don't look terrible. They'll definitely recover, and they'll definitely look fine in a couple months. So I'm just going to water them in a couple of days and then put them under my grow lights and just put them back on the regimen that all the other succulents have been. So I really hope that encourages you to plant up your own succulent planters, because, you know, really they do last a really long time and they look nice for a really long time. Mine just weren't near light, so they stretched and they weren't watered very often, and that's kind of why they ended up looking like they did, which really wasn't terrible. They still looked nice, and I still got a lot of compliments on them from friends that came over. So really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave any questions or comments you have below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything else. All right, bye.